How to fix TikTok network error on iPhone in an easy step-by-step process. I'm Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you're new. Now let's jump into the process. You can see that I'm facing the same problem. Now just close your TikTok and just swipe down. You either need to connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure you have stable connection. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Now turn off your Wi-Fi for 10 seconds and again turn it on. If it is still not working, you have to grab your router and just restart it. In the case you are using cellular data, go to settings, go to cellular option. Over here you can see this option of network selection. Open it and set it to automatic. Make sure you have turned on this icon. If it is still not working, you have to go to settings and then go to general, go to storage, go to TikTok, open it, now upload it. Now you have to reinstall it. Tap on this option, reinstall. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok. After applying all these options, your problem is surely gonna be solved. In this way, you can easily fix TikTok network error on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in description below for various helpful guides, tips and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software. Thank you.